This is a big one.
It's feeding time!
Feeding time, brought to you by Feed Me More Nutrition's Shell Shock. Yo, welcome to Feeding Time, the big guy, Ryback, Casadela, big guy, Sin City. Today, guys, I bring you the Battle of the Birds. Two of my favorite wing places, Buffalo Wild Wings. Two flavors, my two favorite flavors, Buffalo Medium and Garlic Parmesan, versus Pizza Hut Wing Street, Buffalo Medium. Garlic Parmesan. Ah, shit, leaked. Came shooting out. That's what she said. So today, guys, I've got a ranch and blue cheese from Pizza Hut and a ranch and blue cheese from Buffalo Wild Wings that we'll be using for the respective wings. These are, if you've ever heard me talk, these are two of my favorite wing places in the world. And I don't know which ones, I've never had them at the same time simultaneously. So I just go back and forth. I'm gonna make a decision today on, I guess, on what's my favorite. So stay tuned. We are gonna go get everything ready here. I'm starving, breaking a 24-hour fast. My mouth is watering waiting for these. Guys, it's feeding time. Who has the best wings? We're gonna go blue cheese with the buffalo here. I ended up getting 15 total from Buffalo Wild Wings and 6 and 6, the way they have the sizes over there, from Wing Street. So 27 wings in total. I got a big pot of vegetables and a salad ready to go. And then we're gonna do another 24-hour fast. All right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go one of each. Then we're gonna dig in and make our final review at the end. I just want to be able to taste one after the other. Who do you think is going to have the best wings today? And it might be one of each. One, I don't know how it's going to go. Off to a good start. All right. Let's try this. Get to the Wing Street here. Get these bad boys open. All right, go blue cheese with the buffalo. Ranch with the garlic parm. Where are your favorite wings from, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, look at the size of that. Give you a little size comparison. This is a big one for Pizza Hut. That's a lot of meat on that bad boy. Give you a little size comparison. Cheers. They have different taste, both quality wings. I'm really torn already. Man. This is gonna be a tough call. Damn, good wings. This is gonna be really tough. Because usually I order them based because I know they have a little different taste. So it's what I'm in the mood for. I go back and forth on them all the time when I get my wings. Buffalo. Got it. We gotta do a buffalo back-to-back buffalo. Not all the Pizza Hut wings are that big size, but they're all great, all good size, all very comparable in size. I think this is the only way I gotta go back and forth. We're gonna do 2 in a row of this. Damn. In my opinion, nobody comes close to these two places in wings. I know a lot of people like Wing Street. I don't hate it. I just don't think it compares, in my opinion, for me. But I don't mind it. I don't get it as much either. Let me know what you guys want to see head to head next. Guys, this is heaven for me. This is as good as it gets. Oh. You gotta go the full meal. Leaving these reviews. Gotta get enough information. Can never have enough information. I'm gonna come down to the wire. Good dip. My God. We got another buffalo here. The final buffalo. I think I've got my winner for the buffalo wings. I don't know, they're tough, man. This is tough. This is gonna be tough. All right, garlic parm. Another one of these. I do believe I feel like they change, even though it's the same taste. They used to have a creamier garlic Parmesan sauce. I feel like it's not quite the same. It doesn't look the same. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't think I am. I remember what it used to look like. The big difference with the Pizza Hut wings, though, are greasier. And that is something that is always a common theme, but absolutely delicious. My goodness. All right, the final wing, final garlic Parmesan. We're gonna end with the Pizza Hut wing. We ended with a with a Buffalo Wild Wing on the Buffalo one. Wow. Done. Whew, that was amazing. Battle of the Birds, guys. Pizza Hut Wing Street versus Buffalo Wild Wings. Both are very good, as expected. I'm giving the edge. I'm giving it to Pizza Hut Wing Street. And I feel like, and again, outside of when you get to like chapter, it depends how many wings I eat. But if I just got a normal order of like 20 wings or 15 wings with that, the biggest difference, and I've noticed this over time, is by the end of the Buffalo Wild Wings, like I'm good. I'm like, I've had enough wings. I don't, not like even a full, like I'm like almost sick of them, if that makes sense. Like borderline sick of them. The Pizza Hut Wing Street though, every wing I'm excited for. From beginning to end. Like again, if I ate too many of them, I would eventually, that feeling, but for whatever reason, that feeling sets in with Buffalo Wild Wings at it like pretty early on. But I still love them. But I know there's chemicals in both on that. But I feel like there's more in that. And that's why those are so addicting, more so. But it goes both ways on these companies. There's no doubt. Today's wings, though, both the buffalo and the Parmesan garlic were, I thought, they were just better wings. Size in comparison, they're both meaty wings, both great wings. There's no bad in this review. It's just that putting them head to head for the first time ever, for me, eating them silently, very close together, Pizza Hut Wing Street's my favorite wing. I think and Buffalo Wild Wings is a close number 2 for me with that. And that's where we'll give the Pizza Hut wings, we'll give those a 9.5 today, 9.6, and we're gonna give the Buffalo Wild Wings a 9.4 with it. It's close, super close, but I tend to, having them here close together like that, let me know. Let me know your favorite wings down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see head-to-head next. The more suggestions, the better. Please always hit that like button, you guys. It helps with the algorithm on here, on our videos. Please check in every Monday, 9 a.m. Pacific time. It really helps out. Even if you can't watch the whole video, get that like, hit that share button, comment. If you can, help out. And it's greatly appreciated getting as many eyes on the channel as we approach 500,000 subscribers. So thank each and every one of you that have been here since we got going on this in 2018. So it's been crazy. It's been about 4 years, a little over 4 years that we got going on this, doing the feeding time videos. So thank you guys, each and every one of you, very, very much. And this is always brought to you by Feed Me More Nutrition, my premium supplement line with stevia and monk fruit, no harmful artificial sweeteners or colors for men and women on feedmemore.com. Save 20% discount code YouTube20, guys. All Ryback merch, drinkware, ball caps, workout accessories, and the best supplements on the planet. Feedmemore.com. We are available on the TikTok shop as well. Join me live daily at Ryback on TikTok, 3-4 p.m. Pacific time. Guys, we're always live around 3-4 p.m. Pacific time on there, Monday through Friday. On the weekends, I'm on earlier, but I usually will be on at that time still. So check in on that. And again, guys, thank you very much. Appreciate all the love over here. We're hanging and banging, rocking and shell shocking, and continuing to get bigger, stronger, healthier, and great days ahead for all of us. Thank you guys all so much. Until we feed again, Rybackers, stay hungry. And that's the last bite. Feed me more. Yo, Rybackers, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more feeding time and the Ryback Show here at Ryback TV. For Feed Me More Nutrition and all Ryback merch, all available on feedmemore.com. #hungry. Feed me more.